Hello everybody, how are you? I do hope you're well. It's been a while since I've made a jewellery video. I've actually been away. I was taken away for my birthday to North Wales. You may have seen some videos. If you haven't, I'll link them below if that interests you. Absolutely beautiful. And I did go on the UK's only cabled tramway, which I'll link for you. So the video today, I want to share a tool with you, and it's these. These are nylon pliers. Can you see? They have the nylon in between. And this is a fantastic tool that I want to share with you. Now, if you are new to jewellery making and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. People are subscribing and not watching my videos. It's because they subscribe thinking they'll see my videos, but they don't. You've got to click on the notification bell. I had someone the other day say, oh, you haven't done a video for a very long time, and I have. Because you haven't turned on the notification bell, you don't hear from me. You won't see any of my amazing videos for complete jewellery beginners, for those that are new to jewellery making. Now, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies. I'll link everything down below for you. There you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. Halloween is very popular right now. Do check out my Halloween bead mix. Absolutely fantastic. Once it's gone, but it does come with the elastic as well. Again, I've got videos showing you things that I've made using this bead mix. I'll link everything down below. Here we've got our nylon pliers, and these are absolutely fantastic for straightening wire, especially this is a head pin. And I'm actually going to show you a little project you can do making your own knotted head pins using these. Let me show you this amazing tool. Add this to your jewellery kit. So here we have the nylon pliers. I need to make my loops. I've got my looping pliers and a normal pair of pliers. So these are the knots. Really hoping you can see this one. Can you? There we go. See the knot? This is making your own head pin, which I'm going to show you what to do. Here I've got a head pin. As you can see, it's very bent. So I'm just going to hold the head pin. So I've just got the head pin here, just holding. Take my nylon pliers. See? Absolutely great. Obviously, using the nylon pliers, it doesn't scratch. If you are using plated head pins, eye pins, any type of plated findings, if you were to use the normal pliers, you would scrape the plating off. So these are absolutely fantastic. They're not branded. These are not branded. If I have known, what I should have done is bought some in. If you want me to get some, let me know. I don't know if there'll be an interest, but these are, I know there are lots of different ones out there, but they're really strong, nicely made, thick. Can you see the difference? I'm ever so pleased with them, and they're not very expensive at all. So as you can see, that was straightening the head pin. So this is stainless steel soft wire, 0.6 millimeters. But what I want to do, so that's something you can use, but I am going to use a slightly thicker, and this is a 22 gauge. This is a 22 gauge, gold, whatever you want to call it. Depends where you're from. Now this is just an alloy wire, but it's a 22. So I'm going to show you how to make a knot. So I'm just going to cut some of this off. Let's put that to one side. So what do we do? So I'm going to take my looping pliers. We're going to use this one. So we put it on the end. Make sure there's nothing sticking out, otherwise you'll have a sharp edge when you make these. And we're just going to go round on ourselves, so just take that out. Now keep going around until you create two I'm really hoping you can see this. We've gone around twice. If I go a little bit more, you've got the 3, which we don't want. You've got the 3. We don't want that this side where we're going to push the wire up. We just need the 2 strands, and then where the start of the third is going to be, we pull this up. So that's what we've got. What I'm then going to do is take this end and I'm going to thread it back through that way. So we take that end, just thread it back through. There we go. Now put it into this hand. Take my pliers and I'm just going to use this just to hold on. Then with the nylon pliers, I'm just going to go along like this, bringing all this together. Do it 2 or 3 times. And can you see it creates your knot on the end. So we'll just put some beads. So I'm just going to put some beads on. Right, well let me just straighten this wire. So is this great for making your very own head pins? And if you imagine, you can make some really big knots. You can do all sorts of knots. That's the baby seagulls. You may hear them crying outside, just in case you wondered what it was. So there we've got our little knot. There's the one I made earlier. You see? So if I'm going to make this into an earring, just like before, we want 1 centimetre. We measure 1 centimetre. Take our dangle, hold it on the knot, and then we're going to turn 90 degrees. Take our looping pliers, make sure there's nothing stuck out, and then I'm just going to go back on myself. Take that out, back in. And the loop is slightly over this way, so we just take the pliers, back up, go back in. There we go. So there is our loop. So I do hope you found that useful. So remember, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell. And then obviously all you have to do with your dangle is attach it, just like I've done when I made these earrings. These are some Halloween earrings that I've made. Remember to visit my website. I do cater for those new to jewellery making, so you can buy in very small quantities. You can even buy beads singly, like your gemstone beads, rather than buy a whole strand, which will be expensive. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy crafting.